Hi, I'm Kimberly.
Hi, I'm Doyle.
And we're here today to talk about fractions, adding and subtracting fractions. Stay tuned. This entire thing represents one whole. This is 1/2 of a whole. This is a third, this is a third, and this is a third. If you only ate this part of the pie, you would have eaten 1/3 of the entire pie. This is 1/4 of the pie, Doyle. If you just take this piece of the pie and eat it, you would eat 1/4 of the pie. This number is the denominator. This number is the numerator. If you have two like denominators, then you can simply add the two numerators. 1 plus 1 will be 2. The denominator is 4 on both sides, so you'll simply bring the 4 to the other side. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. They have the same denominator. Simply add across. In this example, the denominators are not the same. So what do? When your denominators are not the same, you have to find a common denominator. In order to find a common denominator, you simply find a number that 3 and 4 would both go into equally. Okay, so we've learned all about adding fractions with like denominators and different denominators. And so now Doyle is going to work out some problems for us. Good luck, Doyle.
Notice how Doyle is multiplying by 2 to make sure that the denominator of 3 is converted to a 6 like the other fractions. This way there is a common denominator and we can add the fractions.
Very good. This is Doyle and Kim, and that's how you add fractions. Okay, Doyle, so that's how you add fractions. And to subtract fractions, you would simply put a subtraction sign in the middle and do just like you did with addition. You have to find a common denominator to subtract, just like you have to do when you add. You can't add apples to oranges. You have to have like common denominators in order to add and subtract. Did you like that?
I did.
Very good. You're a smarty pants. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Doyle got so good at understanding fractions with pi, and he started getting very hungry after the making of this video. And now that he can add fractions, he was able to bake a pie.
Okay, I'm making a sweet potato pie. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of butter. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sugar. Now I'm going to add 2 beaten eggs, 3/4 cups of evaporated milk. I'm going to add in the sweet potatoes, pouring the filling inside of the pie crust. The pie has just finished. It's out of the oven, ready to be cut. Okay.
Unfortunately, this happened next.
Smell like somebody in here cooking some pie. You gonna give me some of that pie?
If Doyle's mean uncle ate 2/3 of the pie, how much is left for Doyle?
We do exactly the same thing as adding fractions. You must rewrite the two fractions over the same denominator, which means we must find a common denominator. Then do the subtraction. In this example, we must put the whole number over 1 so that both terms are fractions. We will then multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 to get a common denominator and then subtract. Three-thirds minus 2/3 equals 1/3. Therefore, 1 minus 2/3 equals 1/3.